We all like going out with the families, but it's more complicated than what we think. Because being an Indian, I know how big the families will be here, and we need to consider health issues when we plan some trip. Because many elders might have doctor appointments, etc. Mainly, if anyone has heart related problems, means then special care should be taken for those people. They will need special care from hospital management, and so the weekly checkups are mandatory for them. But this pandemic situation made it difficult. To solve this problem, scientists recently brought a new update in already existing heart device called as implantable cardioverter defibrillator ICD. ICD is a small battery powered device placed in chest to monitor heart rhythm and detect irregular heartbeats. Basically, people who has arrhythmic condition will show this irregularity in the heartbeat. If the rhythm is high or the heart is beating very quickly, then it is called as tachycardia. And if the rhythm is slow or the heart is beating slowly, then it is called as bradycardia. But this ICD implant is used only in people who are struggling with dangerously fast heartbeat called as ventricular tachycardia, or in another condition where heart failed to pump blood to other parts of the body due to problem in ventricles called as ventricular fibrillation. In these two conditions only this ICD implant is suggested. People with high BP or with other heart related conditions are more prone to this problem. So this ICD device is implanted under the skin near the collarbone where it monitors a patient's heart rhythm. If it detects irregularities, the device delivers a shock to restore the normal rhythm. You likely seen TV shows in which hospital workers shock an unconscious person out of cardiac arrest with electrified pedals. This ICD does the same thing only internally and automatically when it detects an abnormal heart rhythm. How an ICD works actually? When you have a rapid heartbeat, the wires from your heart to the device transmit signals to the ICD, which sends electrical pulses to regulate your heartbeat. Depending on the problem with your heartbeat, your ICD could be programmed for low energy pacing or a high energy shock. In low energy pacing, you may feel nothing or painless fluttering in your chest when your ICD responds to mild disruption in your heartbeat. In case of high energy shock, it is for more serious heart rhythm problems. The ISD may deliver a high energy shock. This shock can be painful, possibly making you feel as if you've been kicked in the chest. The pain usually lasts only a second and there shouldn't be discomfort after the shock ends. Since it's an implant and it has a lot of complex circuits, it requires attention from the doctors to prevent any serious side effects. And doctors will know only when the patients explain their discomfort or struggle with the device. Otherwise, there is no way to identify any errors with the process. So, hospital visits are quite common and mandatory with this condition. But pandemic made the situation worse to these people. Because of lockdown in many countries, people with this heart condition faced worse time than the people who are affected with corona. To overcome this situation and to reduce the hospital visits, a team of cardiologists from St. Michael's Hospital, Ontario, Canada, found a new type of implantable cardioverter defibrillator ICD for the first time, which gives patients more freedom to enjoy their daily activities and reduce visits to hospital. This new Chrome ICD made by Medtronic has technology that allows patients to be monitored remotely through an application on their smartphone. In the event of cardiac arrest, the device sends an alert to the patient's care team. This new Chrome ICD automatically sends important data to the respective hospital as long as the patient has the proper app and a Wi-Fi or internet signal. The device gives patients more freedom and reduces hospital visits and helps doctor to monitor any cardiac episodes. Remote monitoring of this condition is beneficial through this new ICD device during COVID-19 as most check-ins can be done virtually or over the phone, reducing potential exposure to the virus. Addition to this, implantation and testing of this new Corona ICD is also easier. Unlike other ICDs, this one allows technologists to test and program the device from a great distance, reducing the number of people in the operating room. It is newly introduced. Since late June, 3 patients have received this Chrome ICD at St. Michael's Hospital of Canada, and all three are doing very well. It might be a small update in already existing ICD, but it's most crucial and wanted one at this pandemic time. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like this video. Please do subscribe and press that bell icon for latest video. I'm your Vignesh. See you guys in the next video.